If your audio is delayed in OBS Studio, the problem is usually caused by a mismatch between your microphone, webcam, capture device, or other audio sources. First, open OBS Studio and look at the audio mixer. Find the microphone or audio source that is out of sync, then click the three dots and open Advanced Audio Properties. Here, you'll find the sync offset option. This allows you to add a delay to an audio source so it matches your video correctly. For example, if your microphone audio is coming before your video, increase the sync offset value gradually. Start with a small amount, test it, and continue adjusting until your voice matches your video. If your audio is coming after the video, check whether another device or application is already adding a delay. Avoid adding unnecessary delays to multiple sources. If you're using a webcam or capture card, make sure the device is connected properly and that its drivers are up to date. Different devices can introduce different amounts of latency. You should also check your monitoring settings. In Advanced Audio Properties, make sure audio monitoring is configured correctly for the way you're using your microphone. After adjusting the settings, make a short test recording. Clap your hands or speak while making a visible movement, then watch the recording and compare the audio with the video.